Hello everyone, I'm Buddhika Anchal, 2018 ICT 85. It's a great pleasure to join with you like this. So today I'm going to explain you about BitTorrent. Okay friends, let's start. Do you know about BitTorrent? BitTorrent was developed by Sir Bram Cohen and Sir David Harrison in 2001 for the purpose of transferring huge files over the internet without internet traffic. If I answer the question what is BitTorrent, it is a peer-to-peer protocol, and the computers in BitTorrent swarm uploads and downloads the files at the same time without using a central server. Actually, in the reality, it's just not uploading or downloading the files, it's checking the files. And also this is popular as a method of piracy. Let's see how this works as a peer-to-peer protocol. If this is your computer and you launch a web page on this computer, you should directly connect with this central server. This may much traffic, but if you are using BitTorrent, it is a peer-to-peer protocol. So it has no any central server, it is decentralized, so no traffic. The main operations of BitTorrent is preparing, requesting and transmitting any types of files which are connected with BitTorrent Swarm. How can we connect with BitTorrent Swarm? First, you should load a file with .torrent extension on your computer and connect to the BitTorrent Swarm. And the file is loaded in this BitTorrent client, which is known as BitTorrent protocol, and this client tracks the relevant IP address of that file from this tracker, and this tracker loads the relevant file on this BitTorrent client, and this computer can simply download this file without feeling any traffic. If the users connect just only to download the files are known as switches or peers. If the users stay connected with BitTorrent Swarm continuously and share the files are known as seeders. Here the seeders are the most important part of this BitTorrent process, because without seeders, no files, no torrents. Here are some examples for BitTorrent clients. Those are QBittorrent, MuTorrent, Wooz, Deluge, Sunlay Thunder, Transmission, Bitcommand and TixRT. Okay, let's see how can we install BitTorrent to our computer. First, type this address, go to that website, click on download, double click on this and run the program, and double click on the created shortcut icon, and then you are getting this window. Click yes, then go to options and click preferences. In preferences there are several settings. In that preferences, select general and tick on start and automatically install. Then go to directories and tick on location of download files and go to bandwidth, tick on apply, and go to connection, tick on enable, and then simply click on apply and OK. Okay, let's see. In the first slide I explained you BitTorrent is popular as a method of piracy. Piracy means downloading a commercial software without paying. So now I'm going to show you BitTorrent is not only using for this purpose, it is used for search queries such as BTG, IgG, IsoHunt, torrents, the Pirate Bay, Dogpile, meta search engines can be mentioned. And here are the users and the usage which can be done by using BitTorrent. Here I put the purposes and the users in this column. So the users are some countries, companies, institutions, web applications can be mentioned. Here are the technologies built using BitTorrent. The main part is this mainline DHT. This is the most important example because this is the non-trackerless BitTorrent. Advantages of BitTorrent are no traffic, easy to store the files, and the downloaded files can be kept in the swarm. And disadvantages are unauthorized distribution, UTP flood attack, the speed is not stable, sometimes the file may get damaged. If you are willing to use BitTorrent, I recommend you to have a strong antivirus and do not use static IP address, and make sure and confirm the relevant file before downloading whether it is a malware or not, and select and install a trustful torrent client, then you will feel safe. So my friends, I suggest all of you to try this BitTorrent and get the benefit. So thank you very much and have a nice day.